Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the control center in the apps on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, now let's open some application, maybe YouTube. And now, as you can see, I still can use the control center. So, if you want to turn this feature off, so like in the apps, you only want to have the notification center, you want to go to the settings, then to the control center, and then turn off access within apps. And now you're not going to get the control center in the applications. So, it is going to only be available in the home screen, not in any other app, as you can see. So in the way that I'm opening the control center and the home screen is not working in the apps, I'm opening the notification center. If you wanna turn it on, leave this as it was from the factory, just make sure that you turn on the access within apps in the control center. So settings, then control center, and just access within apps. Make sure that this is on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.